Two new pickups in from Stedbrook. They had a big discount. 70-80% off. If you have time to see my other videos, this is the place where I buy my Stone Island on discount. They're never worth paying retail, Stone Island, since they always go on sale. And I waited, but they had some items that I wanted, so I picked it up. This box is all messed up already from shipping. Surprised it still arrived. Like decently. Okay. Receipt. This should be my Stone Island corduroy pants. I also picked up Acne Studios socks. Acne Studios. Retails $50. Came out to I think like $10, I think. But yeah, made in Portugal. I never usually buy expensive socks. But yeah, these are on sale. Picked it up. Acne Studios. This one is my corduroy pants from Stone Island. Yeah, corduroy black. Can't go wrong. Got the patch, Stone Island. You already know, patch. And there's the pants. $4.90 regular price. $4.90 for some pants, that's crazy. But if you get for 70% off, sign me up. Stone Island. You know, corduroy, all black. Looks like a straight fit. Yeah, this thing clean. Let's see how it fits. Step to the side. Take a look. This one, these ones should be very light. It's just two tees from Acne Studios. Pick out my receipt. Info here. No Acne Studios tees. It is pretty light. Just shipped in the box. Pull out the paper here. I'll cover it. As you can see, very, not even thick, it's pretty thin. Acne Studios. Acne Studio. Made in Portugal. This thing is pretty thin, it's kind of oversized. But yeah, got the little stitching in here. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool, looks oversized, boxy fit. But this one, definitely try this one on. And then this one is Acne Studios. Very thin as well. $19.96. Yeah, their tees are not even thick. Really thin. For the price point, it's pretty high. But yeah, quick pickups. Yeah, not too crazy. Some Stone Island, Acne Studios. Yeah, thanks for watching. Picked up some haul from them. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe. More videos coming. I'm out. Peace.